Welcome to the Washington State Department of Labor and Industry Certified Payroll Report Training for Public Works Projects. This is the first of 5 videos that will walk you through the steps to file your reports online. You can watch all 5 videos at once, or you can view each video within each step of the filing process. If you have not filed certified payroll online using L&I's system before, it is recommended that you watch all the videos before you begin. First off, let's cover some of the requirements. If you are watching this video, you may already be aware that beginning January 1st, 2020, you will be required to file certified payroll reports for all public works projects at least once a month using L&I's online system. The payroll rule requires that you must keep and maintain certain records in addition to pay statements for each employee on a public works project. You are required to keep these records for 3 years from the date of acceptance of the public works project by the awarding agency. These are some of the records you will need in order to file your certified payroll reports online. While filing online using L&I's system may be required, there are also many benefits. For starters, there is generally no need to print your reports. After you file, the system generates a PDF that is stored in the system. Sensitive information that cannot be disclosed, like the employee's social security number, are already redacted. The prime contractor, awarding agency, and L&I all have access to view reports filed online. This means that if one of these parties requested your report, as soon as you file, they can log into their portal and view it. There's no need to send them a copy. If an interested party requested your report, you can send them the PDF electronically. If you do want to save copies of your certified payroll for your records, you can save the PDF instead of printing paper copies that take up space. If you're using Google Chrome, the PDF is automatically saved in your My Downloads folder when selecting the Download as PDF link. Not to mention that everything is stored by the project. If you have several projects, you can use the search features to easily find the report you're looking for. When you file reports online, the system is storing the data you enter to be used for other functions. For example, you can easily monitor apprentice utilization for the project, yourself, other contractors, or by trade during the project based on certified payroll information entered into our system. If apprentice utilization is required on your project, view the Utilization tab to access this feature. This feature is considered the system of record for apprentice utilization rates and will reduce or eliminate additional reporting needs. Confirm with your prime contractor or awarding agency if additional reports are needed. Also, the information you provide on your certified payroll may be used to pre-populate your affidavit. If selected, we'll import all of the information from your report to pre-populate the trades, occupations, wages, hours, and number of workers for you. If all weekly reports have been filed online for the project, all you will need to do is verify the information is correct. That covers some of the basic requirements and benefits to filing online. See you in the next video where we will show you how to start filing your certified payroll reports.